Your viral TikTok content is about to become your best-selling product line today. You're learning how to connect Printful's print-on-demand service directly to your TikTok shop, so you can sell your custom merch to your audience without ever touching inventory. Step 1 is to have your designs ready and a Printful account set up. Make sure your artwork is high resolution and saved in the correct format for products like t-shirts, hoodies, or posters. Then, log into your Printful dashboard. Inside your Printful dashboard, navigate to the Store section and click Add Store. You'll see a list of platforms. Select TikTok Shop from the options. This begins the integration process that links your two accounts together. Click Connect, and you'll be prompted to log into your TikTok Seller Center account. Authorize the connection between Printful and TikTok Shop. This secure link is what allows your products to sync and orders to flow automatically. Now go back to Printful and create your first product. Choose your product type, like a classic t-shirt, upload your design, and set your retail price. This is where you turn your creative idea into a real sellable item. Once your product details are perfect, scroll down and hit the Push to Store button. Printful will now sync this product directly to your TikTok Shop catalog. The product listing, with your mockups and description, will appear in your TikTok Seller Center. Here's the magic of automation. When a fan buys your merch on TikTok Shop, the order details are instantly sent to Printful. They automatically print, pack, and ship the product directly to your customer under your brand name. You just focus on creating. Your TikTok audience is already engaged. Now you give them a way to support you with unique products. Connect Printful and TikTok Shop today and start monetizing your influence effortlessly.